Hey guys, Casey Sengwins here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you this brand new Coachmen Freedom Express 279 RLDS. Let's go inside and take a look. All right guys, inside, let's start up front in the bedroom. This has got Coachmen's new vaulted queen bed. It's kind of like a Murphy bed, but not a Murphy bed. The bed simply lifts up and gives you a little place to sit, maybe to help get dressed, put some sneakers on, something of that sort. You still have plenty of storage underneath the bed like a traditional bed would, but it is a full-size queen bed, a full-size residential queen bed at that. Another interesting thing about this trailer is you've got a separate closet in the bedroom. This isn't an overly big trailer, so to have extra storage in the bedroom for your clothing items is great. Coming back into the bathroom, you've got a very nice, very usable three-piece bathroom with a nice shower, great counter space in the bathroom. And then coming back in here to the main living room, this is a rear lounge, so you've got the nice rear window, nice big back window, two recliners in the back, a nice big U-shaped dinette with plenty of counter space beside. Again, more storage, a lot of storage in this trailer, plenty of counter space. They've done a really nice job with the detail and the backsplash and the tile work on this trailer. Great usable kitchen, of course the 3-burner stove with the oven, microwave, nice big refrigerator, freezer, and then a very usable and very comfortable position of the entertainment center with the TV. And of course, this is a Freedom Express, you get the fireplace as well. All right guys, thanks for looking. Again, my name's Casey. If you've got any questions about this particular trailer or anything else we've got in inventory, give me a call. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Talk soon.